this short video, we are going to discuss how to create an ebook outline. Firstly, we need to create an ebook title. Which we will then paste into an ebook outline generated prompt. The generator will create different separated parts, but we need to focus on writing about Elon Musk. We should start by writing an introduction and so on. You can choose any part to start with and begin writing. Additionally, you can use the ebook one-click creator to create your entire box. This way you can create your entire book with the help of the ChatGPT.